So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss unit number 2, that is theory base of accounting. Okay, the last topic, that is cash basis of accounting and accrual basis of accounting. So what do you mean by cash basis of accounting? In cash basis of accounting, any income earned is received in cash, okay, or expenses incurred is paid in cash immediately. Okay, so there is cash in hand, okay, there is cash received or there is cash payment immediately, okay, within the financial year. Okay, so here you see, in cash basis of accounting, cash is received or paid. Okay, either cash will be received or cash will be paid. Okay, there is immediate transfer of cash. Example, income received in cash or expenses paid in cash. Okay, but in case of accrual basis of accounting, it is not like that. Okay, here in cash basis of accounting, whenever a person goes to a shop to purchase any commodity, and he makes the payment immediately in cash, so that is cash basis of accounting. Okay, now the customer goes to the shop and purchases a commodity, and says that he will pay the money at some later future date. Okay, so that is accrual basis of accounting. Expenses incurred by the customer, but it will be paid at a future date. So that is outstanding expenses for the customer. But for the shopkeeper, what it is? It is an income earned. Okay, but cash is not received immediately. Okay, he or she will receive the cash at some future date. So that is accrual basis of accounting. Okay, you see here, income earned but not received, expenses incurred but not paid. Take the case of a shopkeeper or a seller, and a customer, that is a buyer. Okay, so if the transaction is accrual basis of in accrual basis, then the buyer will purchase the commodity, and he will not make the payment in cash immediately. He will pay it at some later date, later future date. So that is accrual basis of accounting. Outstanding expenses for the buyer. For the seller, it will be an income earned but not yet received. So that is said in accrual basis of accounting. So it is recorded in that way only while preparation of financial statements. During the financial year, if the transaction is received or paid in cash, or done in cash, either received or paid, or it is accrual basis of accounting, outstanding expenses, or income earned but not yet received. So that is accrual basis of accounting, and it is recorded in the financial statements during the financial year in the same way. It will be recorded during the financial year, whether it is received or not, while preparation of financial statements. So that is said in accrual basis of accounting: income earned but not received, expenses incurred but not paid, like interest earned but not received. For example, outstanding expenses not yet paid. So I hope you have understood this, what is cash basis of accounting and what is accrual basis of accounting. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for further and latest videos. Thank you for